Right, so I've got my 18 grams. It's been dispensed into the portafilter onto the group handle, and what I'm going to do is show you, I just use this from the coffee machine. It goes under the grinder when you're grinding on the integral coffee machine, but it's great as a guide there for going through the process now of tamping. So let me show you what I do. I just get a normal fork and I'm going to break down the bigger lumps. So you can get a little piece of equipment from this, from most websites, from Amazon, but I find instead of spending 50 quid on a piece of equipment, just as easy just to get a fork. And all I'm doing there is I'm just breaking up any of the clumping that's happened in the grinding process. So the finer that you grind, sometimes you get kind of a clumping. There we go. And then 3 stages. Level. So I'm leveling. And I just kind of bang. The reason I'm doing that, I'm really sort of compacting the grind, making sure that we're level. And then I tamp, and when I tamp, I really put some weight behind it. So really put some weight behind it and push down. And I just kind of rest it on top and spin it. Then I get that really nice flat tamp there, and then I wipe. So level, tamp, and wipe. And wiping, as I say all the time, we're just stopping all those pieces of grind to get stuck up inside the coffee machine, and we don't want them there. Really important now is not to knock your portafilter, because we've tamped everything down in place. It's all ready to go. If we bash it, we loosen it, and we're not going to get the extraction that we want. So let's go ahead and put the group handle onto the machine and see if we can produce ourselves a ristretto.